Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is a video showing my backyard gardening. I just reaped some tomatoes from my backyard that I planted early summer, sometime in June. So this is what my backyard tomatoes are looking like. So far it's quite a bit that I've gotten from the tree, and the tree still has lots more on it. I will show you guys the tomato seeds that I use. So I'm gonna show you guys the tomato seeds that I use to plant and get this harvest. So this is my backyard garden, organic tomatoes, and I have to try to figure out probably how to make some tomato sauce so I can preserve it. So yeah, I'm really excited. You know, the hard work has paid off. So this is what my backyard tomatoes are looking like, all natural and organic over here on this channel. So I'm gonna go for the packaging and show you guys which tomato I planted to get these. So these are the seeds that I used. It's the Mackenzie brand I used, and I got these seeds at Home Depot. So growing time normally is 55 to 60 days. So this is the brand of seeds that I used, and as I said, I got it from Home Depot. Here we go. So I'm going to show you guys my tree and the other tomatoes that I have on it. Yeah. So backyard gardening at its finest. And leave me guys a comment down below to let me know how to make tomato sauce to help me preserve all these tomatoes that I'm getting this season, because I've never actually preserved tomato like this, because as I said, there is still lots more on the tree and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this much tomato all at once. Okay, so please leave me a comment down below to let me know how you guys do it when you do canned tomatoes, or you know, you make tomato sauce and preserve it to use later in the fall and the winter. So this is my tomato plant, you guys. This is what it's looking like. So as I said, I'm gonna have lots more tomato for the fall. And I would really like to know how to preserve them or can them, because I've never done that before. Still lots more tomatoes coming up. Still lots more. So this is my first tomato harvest. So backdoor gardening at its finest with my tomato plant. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.